guys, I am back on this 32 formula. Got some gel coat repairs, as you can see, and a couple down the end there. You can see the masking all ready to go. Got my color all matched up. Got a little Hunter in. While I'm doing this, if you could go ahead and subscribe, you'll get notifications of this and other jobs. Like the video, share with your buddies. Appreciate it. This is basic white gel coat, polyester gel coat, and I put a little bit of white pigment. You can't really read that, it's a mess. Oh, maybe you can top there, but a little bit of that to match it up. It's kind of a off-white-ish tint, you know. There's 1,000 degrees of white for sure. Hoping that's in good shape. Got these birds yelling at me. Go to work. Looks from out of juice. Yeah, damn it. I just mixed all this paint. This is done. And the other ones I have are clogged. I don't know what's going on. Let me see if I can rig up these other ones. Alright, so this damn thing quit on me. I'm gonna have to pick up another one, which is fine. I've just got. I have to just keep coating this in the morning and come back to wet sand in the evening. Whatever, delay me about 3 or 4 hours on this. But got all the toe sprayed on this over here as well, in the forward spot by the paper up there. And this is lacking, so go up there tomorrow and start there with some gel coat, and maybe just give these ones a once over, just for good measure. Why not? Alright, so I don't know, if you guys made it this far, you made it pretty far, go ahead, like, subscribe, you'll get notifications for this and other projects we got going on. Do appreciate watching. Thanks.